Hi, my name is Ken Lau. I am a MBSJ license runner, and today I want to share with you. Our main focus is to help business owner who are very busy, extremely busy, to get their license, the new license applied. However, if you want to just do renew a license, right, you can actually go to the portal.mbsj.gov.my, and then you scroll down to select the license permit. And the next thing is that you will come to a new page. A new page will be like this. You click on the license, and after that, you go to the second step right down there, key in the account number. You can find it in your e-license, and you click on Charlie, and it will come up with the list. And on the fourth step, you click on um, paying. Right, this is the dompet. You just pay e-payment. After that, you can just click on cetak sijil lesson, and that's all, right? So just give you a better walkthrough, right? It's just like over here. So I log masuk. Okay, there's some system error, but I can still key in that and then enter. So let's see, now it's logged into that, right? So now I go to this and I click again, and somehow I click on this thing. I click on menu maybe, yeah. uh, Not really can see, yeah. Okay, maybe this one right here. Yeah, now actually I log in already. See, now I go to the here, and luckily I can just look at this cell here. Right, click on this lesson, and now you go to the next page. Yes, this is the lesson here. Lesson. Just click on lesson and scroll down here. Right, due to this your number, and then you key in your number there, and you can find that. Right, so I have a number that is from my clients. Right, let's just see what is it I can do right with. So click Charlie, and then you can find that, and now you just click on this. Now I just help guide her to update the thing, so don't need to pay already. So all you need is just cetak sijil license. That's it. Pay already, then that's it. Okay. Click on this button. What will happen? Oh, buyer. Okay. So you click on buyer, and I think the rest will be very similar, right? Select this item, amount, and then teruskan, and then you choose the online banking, right? The rest will be, it's also even have a e-wallet. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Then go back. Once you finish, you can go back here. It should bring you back to cetak sijil license. Okay, that's it. This is a tutorial, and make sure you after you finish this, you can log out. Yep. And thanks for watching. Right. So we also provide other services that business are looking for, right? Such as we provide this accounting and audit services, right, by LKT Associate. We also create a website for people, right? LKT Association is we are the one that design for their website, right? We are also I myself is Ken Lau. I am a HRDF corporate training trainers, right? I have over the past 11 years. I train all these companies, right? And I'm very good in Excel VBA. I'm a PowerPoint, I'm a Word, Power BI, data, data storytelling YouTuber. I'm also a Blue Ocean um, strategist. So, so things are changing, right? You need to adapt. And previously, we do training for this, and the near future with the license from the HRDF, I still continue to do online training. But what stops us from doing other things is just in the mindset. If you understand blue ocean strategies, then you understand why I do what I do now, right? Thanks for watching. and happy renewing your lesson, right, without going out of room, just by clicking a few links, right? So I have also put all the step there in my Facebook page, right? You can follow the same, right? Again, it's just this step, and then go to here and go here. All these steps is clearly printed, right? So enjoy. God bless you.